Hello friends, we are coming out with a part 3 for the stocks which can be traded in the month of October 2021. As always said, these are educational videos. We have been scanning almost 5,000 scripts every day and finding out the best suitable scripts which can or which may work in this month of October 2021 as per our knowledge. And these are just educational videos to share some information with you. Now if you look at this Dalmia Sugar chart, it looks very promising and it looks as if it is going to go to much higher levels. One is sugar is always in demand in the month of the festival season, that is October, November, December. So generally what happens is in the last quarter, especially in the festival season, we find sugar stocks going up. Now if you look at let me give you a brief idea about Dalmia Sugar chart. One is it is trading above the 200-day moving simple moving average, and now for the last 2 months, again after it made a peak somewhere in the end of July, it has gone nowhere. It has just formed a simple channel here and it has been trading within that channel. So there are a lot of retail buyers who are selling on top, buying down. This kind of work is still going on. Now what has happened on October 1st is that it has broken the trend line here. That trade was very strong and it was done with huge volumes. Last 2 months this is one of the best volumes around. So there is a very high probability that Dalmia Sugar should reach higher levels. It should reach at approximately the levels of 513. That is the previous high which was done in the month of 1st of August. And then it should, even once it closes above 513, your Fibonacci levels can give you the next targets. For the stop loss, you can have it. You can have either the weekly low as a stop loss or the monthly low as your stop loss. The monthly low is somewhere here. That is approximately around 384, and the last 2 months low is approximately around 356. So 384 looks like a good stop loss for the month. That is our last previous month low, where you can exit in case the market changes the direction. And this looks very promising. I definitely feel that it should go back to previous highs. The next stock which I will take is the DCM Textiles, which is also known as the DCM and NVL. Now again, you look at this chart. It has made a 200. It is trading above the 200 moving sloping average. Nothing much happening for the last 2 months. It's going in a tight range. This is basically a range where people call it, where we call it in our terms, a period of accumulation, where stronger hands get into the stock and the weaker hands move out of the stock. Yet October 1st, it did a 5% circuit. So that's a very positive thing. And again, you can see very positive volumes here. And during the last uptrend also, there was a lot of positive volumes over here. Ideally, since it has closed above the sloping trend line, it should go back to the previous highs, which is about 198. Which is about 246. The stop loss could be the previous month low, which is approximately around 198. The current pricing is around 222. So you can enter right now because it has broken the trend line and it has got to go on the higher side. And the first target, as I said, should be around 246. The stop loss should be here. And yes, this stock looks really promising. Once again, you could really book some profits here, provided, as I always keep saying, the Indian markets work as per the international, take a lot of strength from international cues, especially the US markets and global markets. So in case there is a huge sell-off in the global markets and global markets correct, all the Indian stocks also generally correct along with that. So that is the reason we always trade with the stop loss, because if there's a huge correction, you should not lose much. The next stock which I will like to take up is Emami Paper Mills. Now, fundamentally speaking, paper is very much in demand. There's a lot of price increase as far as paper is concerned. Paper industry is very much in demand these days, especially because of a lot of shortages happening in China. And this is one particular stock which can take care of which can benefit from this paper boom, the boom which is coming to the paper industry. Now, if you look at the charts, it's again trading above the 200 SMA, which means it's quite bullish in the longer term. It's in a long-term uptrend. Last 2 months, what's happening, rather last 3 months, what's happening is it has been trading in a perfect range. 3 months it has been trading in a range. I think unless someone has who has been selling at high and selling low, those are the kind of people who will be making money. Now it has formed an immediate sloping trend line, and there is a right bottom here, bottom support here, and there's a top resistance here. And the moment it breaks the trending slope line and trades above it, it's very highly probable that it should go back to the previous highs. what you can do is you can keep a stop loss of the previous month low, or a very conservative stop loss will be the previous week's low, and trade on it with a positive bias. Any trade below the previous month's low is very negative for the stocks. It could go down. So maybe you never know how far it goes. So, but it's always better not to hold on to a stock which breaks the previous month's low. The stop loss could be in this particular range, which is approximately around 157, and you could enter here somewhere around 176 levels once it crosses the trending slope line, and the target could be around 230. This and again, as I said, you should always keep a watch on global cues, so that because Indian market sentiments are always attached with US global markets. So these are three good stocks which can be traded in the month of October 2021. Wish you all the best for the trading. I'll be coming out with more trading calls for the monthly as well as for weekly patterns. We put in a lot of effort to get all this information to you. In fact, my channel is very new, though we have been in the markets for the last 20 years. We have just recently come out with this channel, and we plan to bring in a lot of information to you, a lot of content to you, which could be in the form of trading calls, trading strategies, simple tips and tricks that are related to how to work in the stock markets. But for all that, I need a lot of subscribers. So I will advise you, please subscribe to my channel. Maybe even forward this videos to friends of yours who could subscribe to my channel, and we could put in a lot of information, a lot of content related to options, related to trading strategies, once we get the required number of subscribers. Thank you so much. One more thing I will advise you is that please take the opinion of your financial advisor before entering into any such trading positions, because it can lead to huge losses too. So it's always better to take an opinion of your financial advisor. The next thing is never work with leverage positions, because that could lead to a lot of stress, a lot of personal problems and financial problems. So always avoid highly leveraged positions. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.